anti-competitive nature, right? So it follows what you sent out this weekend. And we do believe that countries are dumping rice into this country today. We've never seen imports this great.
Which countries?
India, Thailand, even China into Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico used to be one of the largest markets for U.S. rice. We haven't shipped rice into Puerto Rico in years. So this has been happening for years. This didn't start during your administration, but unfortunately, we're seeing it in a much bigger way now. The tariffs are working. But we need to double down because
you want more. I mean,
they're cheating, right? They're they're just subsidizing and then
India. Tell me about India. Why is India allowed to do that? To pay tariffs? Do they have an exemption on rice?
No, sir. We're still working on their trade deal. So
yeah, but they shouldn't be dumping. I mean, I heard that from others. So you can't do that.
There's a WTO case against India
Give me
right now.
Give me the countries if you could. Go ahead.